The Rhône Valley, which lies between the young Alps and the ancient bedrock of the Massif Central, is an erosion corridor composed of igneous and metamorphic rock belonging to the Massif Central. The soils of these granitic, gneiss and mica schist arenas form steeply sloping hillsides, which are now used for vine cultivation. Marine deposits from the secondary era, Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous, settled in the south of the Rhône Valley. Composed primarily of limestone, gypsum and grey marls, they together form the several kilometre-deep subsoils of the Rhône Valley. At the end of the Tertiary era came the Miocene, between 7 and 24 million years ago, during which the formation of the Alps accentuated the subsidence of the valley that now separates the Massif Central from the Alps. The Miocene sea collected and stirred up sands enriched with shell debris. The Ventoux, Dentelle de Montmirail and Luberon were in fact islands during this era. By the end of the Miocene era, the Alps were definitively in place. The African plate collided with the Iberian plate, resulting in the closure of the Gibraltar Strait. The Mediterranean Sea dried up. Valleys were formed, and the Rhône Valley became a steep canyon. As brutal as these events were, they eventually came to an end. The Gibraltar Strait reopened. The sea filled the Mediterranean region and flowed into the Rhône Valley, bringing with it large volumes of detrital rock, clay, sand and scree. The sand was initially marine, but then became fluvial sand, which would have a strong impact on wine growing here, particularly on the right bank of the Rhône Valley. In the Quaternary era, the Rhône and its tributaries, Isère, Drôme, Ardèche, Gardon, Aigle, Ouvèze, Cèze and Durance, deposited pebbly alluvium in the form of vast and often very deep terraces. The Rhône Valley's terroirs today are composed of 5 main types of substrata: granite, limestone, pebbles, sand and clay. These various types of bedrock play an essential role in regulating the supply of water to the vine. They contribute to the distinctive structures and aromatic profiles of the valley's wines.